Okay, let's discuss what we have right now on Vision Dreams project. First, little UI step. Let's bring this lower UI ornament more closer to Magical Sphere. Can you do it?
Yes.
Cool.
So this is a first UI change right now.
Yeah.
Can I continue with?
Yeah, I think let's continue.
Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
you have three options here. You have the calendar that
Mm-hmm.
displays the collections of the dreams and everything.
Mm-hmm.
You have Tell Your Dream button and the settings button. If I press on Tell Your Dream, this is not recording right now
Yeah.
because from what I know, the Logic doesn't support it. But I did a mock experience, so it shows that it's listening. But when you press it tells you that it's generating something, and you have
Cool.
two options. To view the dream, this will open the skybox and the
Yeah.
about dream.
Greetings, chosen
Yeah.
traveler. I am Hypnos, a
Okay.
digital spirit bridging the realms of reality and dreams. I am
This is
Yeah,
another
yeah.
bug. It starts speaking out of nowhere sometimes.
Okay.
Okay, so when you hit it's generating for some seconds, and then
Yeah.
when you hit about, you'll see an analyzed version of your dream
Yeah.
right now. And when you click View Dream, it will open the skybox.
Awesome.
Okay, and the settings part, let me this. You can disable the background music and all of that.
Greetings, chosen.
And can you push
I am
the
Hypno.
view the dream?
If I can show you the skybox.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Just a second, I modified it a bit. I should find it somewhere. Just a second. Where it gets cold. Let's see if we can do something fast right now.
Yeah.
Here. I can do this maybe?
Yeah.
Is unused. Oh, I think it should crash. Just a sec. While it's loading, after you open the about part, you will have, so it's generating the dream. You have these two buttons, about dream
Yeah.
and dream. When you press view, you will be in the immersive environment. If you
Yeah.
click it once again, it will get rid of the skybox. And when you hit about dream,
Yeah.
the navbar would be something like this. So you will have the calendar to see the previous dreams, the open immersive button.
Yeah.
You can ask a question, but as I said right now, that the logic that handles the chat, it's not available. I tested it and it didn't work.
Yeah.
And you have a button to save this current dream.
Yeah. One little change on UI. We think the save button will be cool. Put in the text on the button of text after we receive the discussion.
Here.
Yeah, something like here. Okay, and maybe you have the next step where we save this dream.
Yes, and the calendar is completed, and the model is this one. I have to implement the logic to figure out the current day and to save it to the current day. if that makes sense.
Yeah, that's awesome. That's awesome.
I will work on that, and after this, it should be a pretty hard-coded. This version should actually show what the app can do, but this is hard-coded stuff because many of the features do not work or are not currently implemented. So what I'm trying to do right now is to not only deliver a version that could emphasize what the app should do and could do in the future, but to organize the code in a way so if anybody else is working on it right now, should find the components more easily and would be more it would be a best practice to have an organized code and to know where to find and how to use some components, if that makes sense.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Because to be honest, this is a you have technical background, of course, so you know what actually I don't know if you played with Swift before, and sorry.
Yeah. My background from AAA game development, where I make VFX art and shaders and production graphics for this. Yeah, and I understand the base logic of SwiftUI. You can tell me some notes of your thinking.
Yep. So this is the main file, the content view that displays everything, and take a look at this. It's what I like to call spaghetti code, if that makes sense. And it's really hard to navigate. Actually, I spent over 2 or 3 hours maybe just to get the hang of the code and to understand what everything does. And I'm trying to mark everything to know exactly what everything is doing right now. So the new calendar is actually the Dream Collection. Instead of calling it calendar, it's called the Dream Collection, and another version of the calendar, it's called the calendar mic. It just doesn't make sense. So I had to look through it and organize it.
Thank you for that.
Nothing too complicated, just to get the hang of this is actually a file that I had it before. Another best practice, we shouldn't implement structures and classes within the content view that do not relate directly to the content view. So it should work right now. Let's see if I can actually
tell me some tips. Do you use some AI helper for build the code?
Like integrated AI helper?
Yeah, for something like AI cursor. That's very curious for me now, and that's interesting to know how you work with AI.
I've used Cursor before, but right now for this
Greetings, chosen traveler.
Okay, for this state right now, I do not actually use that much UI at this point right now. In my working ethic, I do use AI, but only for minimizing the search for some terms or some blockers or anything else.
I think that's very interesting. Okay, cool. For the next step, you can finish. That's the last one. Step of this hardcore build. From my side, I'm preparing the backend field, and I'm preparing 2 API version, one for reality API discussion, second one for 360-degree generation, and preparing the backend to make these all steps more real and save some information about our dialogue, about the dreamscapes, and save this all on the server.
Okay, so just to get everything in line, I have to ask if I am to use some tools in the terms of AI,
Yeah.
is that a constraint from your part?
For audio discussion, we have Timur on front end for this task, and for 360 degree, when I preparing all on back end, I think we can finalize review this step.
Okay, but
Yeah.
my question was if I am forbid to use AI in the development.
Yeah, of course. I think that's cool. Yeah, of course. I think that's cool because I'm also want to expand my knowledge on developing, and my personally interesting that how SwiftUI can combine with some AI intelligence for building project.
Nice. And just to be on the same page right now, so for this version, so we have like this. The user clicks on continue.
Yeah.
It clicks on the listening part.
Yeah.
That is hard coded, and it has some logic to fake think for about 3 or 5 seconds while it's generating. When it finishes generating, we'll have 2 buttons: the about dream and the open immersive. And I'm told that you want, and after that you have 2 options. You press on about the dream and you see a text that displays the dream. The interpretation of a dream, I will put something in there. And below that text, you want the save button. That will actually save the dream.
Yeah.
To a date.
Perfect. And yes, and we will get the full user journey, and that will be awesome.
Okay, and also when I click the open immersive, it should open a skybox. I see that in assets we have some skybox already imported, so I will use one from here. So
yes, but don't choose some horror variation.
Don't what?
Choose something vibe.
Something happy?
Something happy,
Yep. Actually, I think there is a way. Hang with me for a second. Let's run it on the simulator. Do you have some more time, like 5 minutes?
Yeah, of course. I think that's pretty interesting.
Okay. Just a second, so the simulator is running.
I think from my side, we also can waiting one more of the fix for reveal stage when we generate 360 environment on the magical sphere.
Okay.
Yeah.
It should take a minute.
Can we create the text and some visual information for this the loading screen? For example,
for this one?
Tell for example something about project.
I don't think we can. It's it's a native loading screen. I don't think we have the access to modify it. Okay, listening, and then stopping it. Okay, about the dream. Just a second.
Greetings, chosen traveler. I am Hypnos, a digital spirit bridging the realms of reality and dreams. I am here to guide you through the space of your consciousness, to uncover the meaning of your dreams and preserve them. Are you ready to embark on this journey? You are a hero chosen for a great purpose to explore your consciousness and learn to shape it through dream.
Okay, cool.
This kind of waiting kind of makes me look bad in comment section.
No, don't think so. I think create something in spatial environments, that's pretty cool. Think about it.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's really, really nice. I cannot find those. Where is it? Was it this one? Stuff like this right now, and the development, it's kind of moving into this direction, not only on some telephone screens or Macs or anything.
Yeah, I think that's the right time to create some serious of interesting cloud projects for new device.
Yep, totally agree with you.